You want any milk in your coffee? What is it?
Bud Lutz. He's out there skulking around in the backyard. What is that dung beetle up to?
Is Maddie with them?
I don't see her. Probably picking the dog crap out of her shoes from that damn dog. Now where's he going? He's got his video camera. Get my camera, quick. You want to tape me? Go ahead and tape me. I got you on tape, too. You can see that? I got you, you jackass. I got you.
Yeah, grow up, Baldak. You're so ridiculous. Go back inside, huh?
Oh, what are you doing near that fence, huh? Get away from that fence, man. Get away.
I'm gathering evidence is what I'm doing. I'm sick and tired of all this rusted out crap. The tub and the oven, it's junk.
It's not junk, it's vintage, you moron. I'm restoring them.
Yeah, right.
You're so ignorant, Bud. He's a craftsman. They're antiques, you clod.
Oh, shut up, Dana. You know no one in the neighborhood likes you. Either one of you.
Yeah, craftsman my ass. You know what? It's a violation of city ordinance in 87-B.
Where'd you come up with that one? Off the internet?
The ordinance says that you can't have crappy stuff in your yard.
Well, his yellow house is crappy.
Yeah.
Shut up and die, Dana. You don't know.
Look at this antique, huh, Maddie? It's a bunch of crap. It's an environmental hazard. And I got it, baby. I got it on tape.
Yeah, well, I got you trespassing on tape. Look at you leaning over that fence. I got you, you jackass. I got you.
I got you. And I'm taking this tape right to the city.
We're going to the city today.
Oh, yeah, good, are you? Well, as long as you're going into the city, why don't you go ahead and bring the tapes that I got of your damn dog barking every day and night? A whole month's worth of barking. That piss bag of yours. Go ahead and take it. Because you know what? I should have shot that dog when I had the chance.
Yeah, I want to shot you, Baldak, right in your pimply mug. You come on over. I want to get a nice shot of dinner making a meal out of your balls.
Yeah, what? Take a big meaty jump of my balls right now. Go ahead, man. I want to see you. Go ahead and take a bite, because you know what? That's the last bite you'll be taking before they gas you.
You get your head away from my dog, Baldak.
Come on, everybody, please stop. Get back in the house, Jeffrey.
Yeah, get back inside. There's an unfinished bag of bugles in there for you. Tell your fat son to mind his fat business.
That's it, you bastard.
Whoa! Oh, did you see that? That was an assault big time, and I got it on tape.
Oh, here it comes.
Whoa! How this work?
You give me that tape, Baldak. Give me that
man,
tape.
You scared?
Yeah, got you, you prick.
Whoa!
I'll take. There you go. You want?
Get your, whoa!
How about that?
Go get the other camera. Go get it.
Go get the other camera, man. Give me that tape.
Yeah. Huh?
Go on, man.
No, Jeffrey, get like children. Get back in the house, Jeffrey.
Yeah, get back in the house.
Get back in the house, you little son.
Huh?
Go on, man.
Yeah. Oh.
I got it. I'm getting up.
Sony. It's not just memories, it's evidence.